A question that has been asked: is there a way to automatically exit groups that I'm added to without my permission on WhatsApp? So the short answer is WhatsApp doesn't currently offer a feature to automatically exit groups that you're added to without your permission. However, there are ways to limit or control who can add you to groups, which can help reduce unwanted group additions. So here are your options. The first option is adjust group privacy settings. You can prevent unknown contacts from adding you to WhatsApp groups by following these steps. Open up WhatsApp, go to settings, go to privacy, scroll down to groups, and then choose my contacts accept, and you can exclude specific contacts from adding you to groups, or you can hit the mark all button, and only people who send you an invite through a private message can add you to a group. Option number 2 is to manually exit groups. So if you're added to a group without your permission, you can always exit the group manually. So open the group chat. So let's go to, do I have an option for groups? I do. And then tap on the group name, then scroll down to the exit group, and that's that. If the group is spammy or inappropriate, you can report it. So again, open the group chat, tap on the group name, and then scroll down to report group. Unfortunately, until WhatsApp introduces a feature that automatically exit groups for you, you'll have to manually exit unwanted groups or adjust your group privacy settings to limit who can add you.